G'day and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. In this video I'm going to show you how to measure for face-fitted blinds. Face-fitted blinds. This is where the blind covers the entire length and width of your window frame. Measuring is really simple. All we want to do is start from the left-hand side of the window on the bottom, drag the measure across and record that length. That's 1700 millimeters. We always want to record in millimeters because it's a lot easier to get the perfect measurement. From left to right in the middle now, that's 1700 again, and always the trickiest measurement up the top. That is 1701. So we know that this top measurement is 1 millimeter longer than the bottom two. And in this case, we actually want to record the longest measurement. So 1701 is going in the books. This time we go from the top of the window all the way down to your windowsill. And that is 1240 millimeters. Go into the middle this time. 1240 again. And lastly, 1242. So this time, from this top to this bottom is 2 millimeters longer than the rest of the window. And again, we record the longest measurement. So 1242 goes into the books. And that's it. That's how you measure for face-fitted blinds.